If your ChatGPT conversation is not showing, don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. This can happen because of a simple page loading issue, a weak internet connection, a session problem, or even cached browser data. The good news is that most of the time, you can get your chats back on screen without doing anything complicated. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and give the page a quick refresh. Sometimes the conversation list doesn't load properly the first time, and a simple refresh is enough to pull everything back in. If you're using the app, close it fully and reopen it as well. This is the fastest fix, and it's always worth trying before anything else. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can stop your conversation history from loading correctly. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi network if possible, or toggle your mobile data off and back on again. You can also try opening another website just to make sure your connection is working normally. If other sites are slow too, the issue may be with your network rather than ChatGPT. Next, log out of your ChatGPT account and then log back in again. Sometimes the issue is caused by a temporary account session problem, and signing out resets that connection. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you use more than one email or login method. A lot of people accidentally open ChatGPT under a different account and think their conversations disappeared, when in reality they're just signed into the wrong profile. If you still can't see your conversation, clear your browser cache. Cached files can get outdated or corrupted and prevent ChatGPT from displaying properly. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached images and files. After that, reload ChatGPT and check whether your conversations appear again. If you don't want to clear your full cache, you can also try opening ChatGPT in Incognito mode. This is a great test because it starts a fresh session without using old browser data, extensions, or saved cookies. If Incognito mode works, then the problem is likely with your browser cache or an extension interfering with ChatGPT. In that case, you may want to disable extensions one by one or continue using a fresh browser session until the issue is fixed. These small steps are often enough to restore your conversation list and make ChatGPT load normally again. So to recap, the main fixes are refresh ChatGPT, check your internet connection, log out and log back in with the correct account, and clear your browser cache or use incognito mode. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue right away. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.